Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal, rule-based price action trading, and I like to do the chart analysis. We're just a little bit away from London opening. My daily affirmation, I see it understand, rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And we have Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023, ES price action levels. The far right chart is the dollar, and this dollar is still got legs. We're at 107 and change right now, but look at that Monday green candle on the far right chart, dollar. So that pretty much nixed any idea of bulls getting a hold of the first of the month and creating a rally. Although we had a tiny baby rally at the end of Monday's session, we were notably down for most of the day. Look at the middle chart. That's the 24-hour, and we started out in Globex with a very big, wide new week open gap noted by the blue lines. The first one below this blue rectangle, and then the second one in the middle of the gray. So those are the new week open gaps for the first week of October. And price just busted through the bottom one and closed. And what I've got here is a New York midnight open. I'll go through these levels on a smaller time frame chart, but you can see here that ES is going down, dollar going up. That is risk off scenario. As long as we have a bullish dollar, and again, you just got to respect that big green candle here on Monday. There's been no retrace as of yet in Tuesday. Let's jump into the smaller time frames and really get down to the nitty-gritty levels on the ES. Next chart. Okay, the 15-minute is the primary chart I'm going to be using for Tuesday. And truth be told, I've already had just some micro scalps here in Asia, and right at the close when we hit this new week open gap low, and it was really right at the close here, literally. I took a short, and this 15-minute yellow rectangle fair value gap is the first level that I'm watching. You can see we're consolidating in this. So far, candle bodies are respecting this. Above that, I've got a 1 hour fair value gap. So again, 15-minute, 1 hour fair value gap. And then above that, I got another 15-minute fair value gap that was a holdover from the Globex for prior Monday. And what I've got here again in these new week open gaps, and I just want to review 43.49, new week open gap high, new week open gap low, and actually the prior day's PM high is 43.29.25. Okay, so these are the two levels. Gonna watch like a hawk in Tuesday. And the New York midnight comes in at 43.23.25. Okay, the RTH in red here, 43.17.25. That's the RTH prior day open for Monday. The prior day lunch high, 43.11.75. Below that, I've got the PM low for 42.96. Whereas we bumping around in that price low for quite a while from the noon to the PM. So we really didn't come back up until the last few minutes again of the close. So, and then the last thing I'll say is this premium discount wick for the daily prior day comes in at 43.10. So these are the levels here. Nothing's jumping out for me to want to trade. Basically, my narrative is I don't see any big red folder 8:30 a.m. news coming up. So it's light. Looking at the interest rates, I'm looking at the dollar, and I'm just going to follow this 15-minute and look for the easy low-lying fruit at specific time of day. And right now, it's sit on hands, be in cash, and that's what I am right now. So that wraps it. I put this out a little bit early today. It feels good because, again, I can just watch price What I'm looking for again is the London raid from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. See if we can get any traction higher. If not, I'll just wait for the RTH and maybe the hour before 8:30. So 8:30 to 11 a.m. is my sweet spot for taking another trade to get some ROI banked. Thanks for watching. Take care. And until the next video on Wednesday, aloha. Bye.